10 years of discipline and practice, net zero. All right, so let me come back to our engineer. Now, he's a real man. I'm not going to share his name out of respect for his privacy, but I'll tell you what kind of operator he was. He worked at one of the major energy companies in Trinidad. He ran one of the plants of significant scale, the kind of facility that when something goes wrong inside it, the country notices. Now, his daily work involved managing systems where failure had real consequence, where the documentation had to be perfect because regulators read it, where his reports went to executives whose decisions affected the national economy. That is the kind of professional discipline he brought into trading. Now, when he came into my program, he showed me his setup. Years of screenshots, detailed entry and exit notes, a trading journal that looked like it could have been audited by an accountant. He had built the operational scaffolding of a serious operator, and he had nothing to show for it. When I asked him about his results, and I'm very specific when I ask this question, because vague questions get vague answers. When I asked him what his actual return on capital had been over those 10 years, he simply couldn't give me a clean number. He had winning months, he had losing months. Some years he was up, and some years he was down. But over the full decade, when we added it up, he was essentially flat. Not bleeding capital like an obvious gambler would be, but not building wealth either. 10 years of discipline and practice, net zero.